Have you ever wondered why a chemical plant uses both gate wall and globe walls? They may look similar, but their applications are quite different. Let's understand the key difference between a gate wall and a globe wall. A gate valve is primarily used for isolating a pipeline. When a fully open, the gate moves out of the flow path, allowing fluids to pass with relatively low pressure drop. Gate valves are generally intended for fully open or fully closed service rather than continuous throttling. When the hand wheel is turned, the steam moves the gate up or down. When the gate is fully raised, the flow passage is open. When the gate is lowered, it blocks the flow. This makes a gate valve particularly used for isolation. A globe valve is commonly used when flow regulation or throttling is required. Its internal disc moves toward or away from the seat to control the amount of fluid passing through the valve. Because of its flow path, a globe valve generally creates more pressure drop than a fully open gate valve. The easiest way to understand the difference is this: gate valve mainly for isolation, globe valve mainly for flow control. A fully open gate valve generally offers lower pressure drop, while a globe valve is better suited for throttling application but normally has a higher pressure drop. Gate valves are commonly used for pipeline isolation in process, water and utility service. Globe valves are commonly used where flow regulation is required, including many steam and process applications. The final valve selection should always be based on the process condition and piping design. One common mistake is using a gate valve for continuous throttling. Gate valves are generally designed for isolation rather than flow regulation. For applications requiring regular flow control, a suitable control or throttling valve should be selected based on the process requirement. The easiest way to remember it is gate valve equals isolation, globe valve equals flow control. Choosing the right valve for the right application helps improve plant reliability, safety and process performance. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for more practical chemical plant and industrial engineering knowledge.